Hello, I'm Natalie from Stampin Up, and I'm excited to show you the Bouquet Blooms Bundle. This bundle includes the Bouquet Blooms stamp set and the Gatefold Blossoms Framelit dies, and allows you to create some really beautiful projects. This stamp set is a 14-piece photopolymer set. The flowers are great to use individually for collages or for layering, and 6 of the images have coordinating framelits. Here are the Gatefold Blossoms Framelit dies. These are the coordinating pieces to the stamp set. So it's like this. And these are the 2 edgelets that you use to make the Gatefold Blossoms card. Let me show you how to use this. You start with a 9" by 5" or 23 by 12.2 centimeter piece of cardstock. This is how you line it up. Right here along the top of your edgelet will line up with the top of your cardstock, and then the edge of your T-bar on this side will line up with your cardstock. Because your cardstock is just a little bit longer than your plate, you're going to have to run this through twice. So you'll run it through once to get the top piece, and then you'll line up the bottom the same way, just like this, right along the edge of your cardstock here, the T-bar right along the edge of your cardstock here, and you'll run it through a second time. And when you're done, it looks like this. You can see these little score marks here. This is so you know where to score and fold, so you get it laying as flat as possible. Line it up right along those score marks, like that. So you fold it in like that. If you want it to lay a little more flat, you can take your bone folder and run it from the inside out. And there you have it. It ends up being note card sized. This is the finished card. These pieces were cut out using the other framelits, and the card was finished off with some linen thread and some adhesive back sequins. This card was made just using the framelits from the set. I love the look that this stamp right here gives your card. Contact your local demonstrator or go to stampinup.com to order the Bouquet Blooms Bundle. We are excited to see what you'll create.